Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Priti. I'm from UP. I'm a speaking learner in English language. Today I will share my journey as a English speaker. Here right now I am coming on my roof and I will talk with you. Today is a very raining season. Today is very big heavy rain and you can see I will show you my whole roof right now. And sky is full of clouds, you can see properly, and monsoon is like very crazy raining season. It's I will show you my whole roof on, you can see, and this is a whole farming field which is full of wheat which is drying right now, and it's cutting in nowadays, and you can see all over my field which is grass. You can see behind me which is for the animals, for they are swimming and they are good for her health, and it is a very green grass you can see my behind. And yeah, looking like a very monsoon season. It's right now today is I will show you. Today is Wednesday, and today should be started April season, 7 April season, 7 Wednesday, and today started monsoon. And I will show you a one squirrel come on my roof. You can see right there, and you can see and see swimming. I don't know what they swimming, but I will show you. She's swimming some grain, like birds spread all over my roof, and she is swimming and she is collecting some birds. You can see this is very beautiful. You can see, and you can see my background, and birds are swimming. Birds is chirping very sweetly, and you can see my behind. And this is a very beautiful weather today right now, and you can see all over my background trees. These are a avla tree. You can also watch my videos in my previous videos. And this is my tower. This is one Airtel tower, and second is a Jio tower. And this is my road, and you can see all my behind boats is here. And this is a store many water which is going to a very heavy big rain right now, and you can see all over my roof, and you can see birds is climbing on one trees to another trees. And yeah, if you learn speaking English, then you learn more vocab, more sentences, one vocab to improve many a lot of sentences you can see. And if you want to speak as a speaker, as a learner, you don't jump on a big stage. First you speak alone at home, and you can practice at home alone. You can practice with your friends, you can practice with your family member, you can practice with a stranger on your roadside, and they are stop. Hey, you are what's your, and you speak speak in English, and try to speak in English with them. And you can ask, hey, what is your name, and in that time person give answer in English, and you can ask all about themselves. And yeah, this is a conversation part, but it's improve your communication skill, and it's a lot of learning part as a learner. And you can try to I will tell you three techniques which is used daily life. First you speak, then you write a notebook, and you can practice, then you speak. It is a part of learning. You don't fear make mistake, because mistake is a part of learning. You also know that. If you are many time, if you can, you know that in many time sometimes native speakers make mistake, but you don't fear make mistake. You know that. I will tell you my English speaking journey. I have a one book grammar. I will tell you many previous videos. I have one book for grammar, one for which is Lucent Company, and I will prepare many words convert in sentences. And I learn a lot of vocab, and you can also learn antonyms and synonyms when I preparation my competition exam like UP PET. In that time, I will learn. I was learn many antonyms, synonyms, and many idioms and phrases like 10. In that time, I learned 10. Not 10, 5 idioms and 5 antonyms, synonyms, and 5 one word substitution learn every day. And 1 and 2 months after, I will feel a lot of knowledge I will gain. In that time, it's in that time when I learn, and right now in this time, it's helped me as a speaking in English. It's helped me a lot of, yeah. And I will tell you when I coaching on my 11th, 12th, and 9th, 10th, and in that 11th, 12th, and 9th, 10th, and in that time my English teacher says me, if you improve your grammar, if you want to improve your grammar, then it's help you a lot of help your speaking. It's very helpful. So I in that time I most focus on my grammar, and it's a lot of help me. And yeah, in that time, because it is a boarding time, so I preparation my 10th and 12th board exam. In that time, my purpose is clear my board exam. So in that all of a time I preparation for this board exam. So I can't speak for speaking, but in that time it's helped me speaking in English language. So in that time I will collect many lot of knowledge, and I will try to speak in English. And here you can talk in English language. So in that time I will collect many lot of knowledge, and I will try to speak in English. And here you can also see that why I am coming on my roof, because here is a very place and very calm place, which is I express my thoughts or ideas in a very perfectly. So I coming on my roof and conversation with you, and it's very helpful for me, because very peaceful place. You can so not anyone here, and not make a noise in my background. It is a very calm place, you know that. And you can see my whole farming field again. Here is my roadside. This is my whole garden, which is mango trees. It's come mango, small mangoes. Yeah, that's enough. If you are learned, don't forget like, share, and subscribe. Okay.